Hi, my name is Scott Ramos, Andis Global Educator. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a disconnected fade haircut, step by step. If you're ready to sharpen your skills and work towards mastering your craft, you've come to the right place. Now let's create together. Let's start with step 1. Create a horseshoe section on the top of the head. Sectioning should start at the recession on both sides to the crown. Clip top hair up using clips. Let's move on to step 2. Remove bulk from the bottom section using Super ZR2 clipper with a number 2 detachable blade. Comb the hair back down to its natural state and cut up against the grain. Cut up and down in a straight line. Do not cut into the shape of the head or follow the curve of the head as you cut upward. We want to keep the weight in the parietal ridge, giving the sides a square shape. Step 2 is now complete. Now on to step 3. Start your bald line with the cordless T-outliner on the side, giving a slight curve towards the sideburn, and execute on both sides. Continue bald line to the back, slightly dropping the line on occipital to keep weight. Once balded out with trimmers, use your copper profiles and bald out the very bottom. Step 3 is now complete. Moving on to step 4. Create your next guideline. Consistently parallel to the first guideline with the master cordless. No guard and lever all the way open. Smaller guidelines create a heavier fade, and bigger guidelines create a longer fade. This cut is a stretch fade, so this guideline will be around 3/4 of an inch. Use the C stroke motion to create a soft guideline. Step 5. Now we want to remove our initial guideline. Using the lever on your adjustable clipper, close it halfway and use the corners of your clipper and start to flick out the guideline. Close your lever one more notch, continue the same technique. Once lever is fully closed, you'll be able to fully remove the first guideline. Step 5 is complete. Now on to step 6. Place your number 1 guard on your master cordless clipper. Open lever and using a C-stroke motion, blend up into the number 2 detachable. When complete, with your lever fully closed, finish blending out the second guideline. If your number 1 guard closes not removing the second guideline, finish with a 0 guard. Step 6 is now complete. Moving on to step 7. Now it's time to cut the top. My model is really happy with the length, so a little trim it is. I'm gathering the entire top of the hair in the middle like a mohawk. I then cut a blunt line from the fringe to the crown using my cordless masters. I then comb everything down on one side with zero elevation, hold the hair in my fingers and cut. Repeat on the other side. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can now create a disconnected fade haircut. If you don't already have the Andis clippers, trimmers, and shavers that you saw here, head to andis.com or to your favorite local retailer nearby. With Andis, we make it easy to take your cutting skills to the next level. Thank you for joining us.